Hello everyone, I'm Martin from my house. Today I'm very excited to show you a 4-room HDB at a super high floor right at Segar Road. Welcome to the unique 990 square feet 4-room HDB with 3 sizable bedroom and also 2 bathrooms. As we are on the high floor, you do get a lot of wind and breeze, and also the main door is north facing and the living room is south facing. Over here, we have a very spacious living area. You can see that the space is good enough for you to fit a 3-seater sofa. And the wall-to-wall distance is also very healthy for you to fit that 65-inch TV for you to Netflix and chill with your family. And the other amazing thing is that there is no inbuilt in the living area, which means you can renovate to how you want. Over here, we have a very large and spacious dining area, able to fit up to even an 8-seater dining table with chairs. So this is where the magic happens. You can see that the dining room is actually integrated seamlessly to the living room as well as the kitchen. And here is where you and your family can sit down and enjoy and have a good dinner. Welcome to the kitchen, efficiently built and designed. You have lots of counter space for you to prepare your food, lots of storage space in the cabinet for you to store your pots and pans, and even a gas stove and a hood for you to do heavy cooking. And the yard is just next door for greater ventilation. This unit comes with a household shelter for you to store your additional items, and there are also 3 generously sized bedrooms and 2 toilets. Welcome to the first common room. It is squarish and functional. So over here, you can either convert it to your children's playroom, your work from home office, or even your own home gym. The ceiling fan and air condition has also been done up, and there's no inbuilt in this room, so you can configure it to how you like. For the second common room, it is equally sized as the first common room, and you do have a squarish and very functional layout. Ceiling fan and aircon has also been done up, and there's no inbuilt in this room as well, so you can easily convert it to how you want. Welcome to the master bedroom. You can see that it is very generously sized. We have a king size bed over here, and there's still space for 2 more side tables. The ceiling fan and the air condition has also been done up, as well as the wardrobe. And you can see it is very windy and breezy over here because we have the north-south cross ventilation. Living at Segar Road means you're surrounded by both convenience and serenity. For nature lovers, Zhenhua Nature Park is just around the corner. A favourite spot for morning jogs, weekend cycling, or simply unwinding with the family amidst lush greenery. If you're feeling adventurous, the park also connects to the wider Bukit Timah Nature Reserve network such as Dairy Farm Nature Park, Chestnut Nature Park, and the iconic railway corridor, giving you endless trails to explore. Families will love the strong educational options nearby. For little ones, Greenwich Primary, Beacon Primary are all within 1 km, making the morning school run a breeze. As children grow, there are established secondary schools such as West Spring Secondary, and getting around is a breeze with the Segar LRT just a 3 minutes walk away, which links directly to Bukit Panjang MRT, and from there is a straight shot to Newton, Bugis, Marina Bay and more via the downtown line. If you like what you've seen today and you like to make this your dream home, you can contact me, Martin, from my house at 91278681 for your exclusive viewing today.